How to uninstall apps from Microsoft Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can uninstall apps from Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step is we'll head over to Microsoft. First, we'll test it out if it is even possible to download or uninstall apps from Microsoft Store. So simply open up your Microsoft Store. And on the bottom left, you should find downloads and libraries. So we'll just head over to library first. And there you will see all of your apps that you have installed up until now. So let's say that if you want to uninstall something, you first need to open it up. So let me just open up this Windows file recovery. And if I open this up, you'll notice that there is no actual option to actually uninstall this. Now, as you can see, you can scroll down, you can check it out. There is no such option. But to uninstall this, what you can actually do is head over to your search bar and then search for apps. Search for apps and head over to your settings. On your settings, again, so you will see the apps section here. If you head over to apps, this is the one right here. Head over to installed apps. Now, all of your apps that you've installed from your Microsoft Store will be available here. So let's search for the one that I showed you guys earlier. That was Microsoft Recovery. So let me just search for recovery. And there we go. So if I want to uninstall this now, what I do is I tap on the three dots right here, and there will be the uninstall button. That is how you uninstall this. Tap on uninstall, and then it will give you a pop-up to take your confirmation, and then it will get uninstalled. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.